up with the decision to expand to Palm Beach back in 2020. And of course, that wasn't successful at the time because we had to work on all the postponements and everything going on during COVID in 2020, and we were back in New York.
Early morning on my way to Florida. Cannot wait to show you what we're doing over there.
And then in 2021, we did a scouting trip to Palm Beach, and I absolutely loved it. I'm like, I want to do weddings here. I love the rich history of the area. I love the culture and the architecture. It's just a very, very cool city and a cool vibe. I felt like LLG could certainly come in here and put a little disruption into it all.
We have guests arriving at the Colony right here, and then we pull up and they come right into the welcome reception. Just so you guys know, life of a full season wedding planner, meaning like we don't have any time off. Our team is working around the clock right now over back to back events that we have in Florida. And then of course, we're still getting ready for our New York season. Haven't forgotten about my NYC clients, and this is why I'm not showing my face right now, because I have to deliver and I have a lot of clients to deliver on right now. So working through, thanks. There's zero chance that we can move these people to all these different hotels in 48 hours.
We're moving them to the Courtyard 45th Street.
We don't want to be at the Courtyard 45th Street. We signed a contract with your hotel. Why are we moving at all?
Unfortunately, we had a system issue which oversold our hotel. So that is unfortunately what we have to do. We will be covering room and tax for all of these individuals that we are moving.
Well, I'm going to call the clients ASAP. And then there's no other choice, right? Like there's nothing we could do. So I am freaking out right now because I am leaving for Palm Beach in less than 24 hours. At like literally 15 hours at this point. And I just got a phone call from one of my hotels that they had a system-wide error and all of my hotel reservations were canceled and my hotel has no space for our wedding guests. Today was a hard day. I don't even want to say this problem out loud because then it just makes it so real. So I just am laying here trying to pack. I have most of my stuff organized, but yeah, I am just getting ready to leave for Palm Beach and I just need to lay down because I am freaking out. One of the hotels canceled all of our room blocks on our wedding this weekend. And we need to find new accommodations for guests before check-in tomorrow. That's what I'm dealing with right now.
300 people are coming in from all over the United States to this wedding, and 24 hours before guests start checking in, they dropped our room block because of a system-wide booking error that oversold and overbooked their hotel. Wait, I need to call her. The anti-influencer. I mean, and I posted afterwards saying how well they did and how they made it right by covering $500 per night per guest.
Thanks to the power of social media, the Marriott came through both nationally and locally, and we got our wedding party situated at a different hotel with their help.
That's $1,000 that they covered for all of the reservations that they messed up.
They made it right, and we said it.
Our weddings go viral. They just do. Just landed in Palm Beach. We are waiting for our car, and then we'll head over to our house for the next 6 weeks. I just want to give a quick update that I am so grateful for this amazing community here on social media. Like,
The amount of people that contacted us to reach out, from Kleinfeld hotel room blocks to so many meeting planners in Florida willing to help us out, hotels. I mean, the love is felt, everyone. We are so grateful that the O picked up these rooms. We can kick off our wedding events tomorrow, and yeah, just time to go and relax at this point. But thank you guys so much.
We are finally in Palm Beach. Woo! Hey, we're here. Here, it's the inaugural LLG wedding season in Palm Beach, Florida, and we are so excited. We are kicking off our inaugural season with Emily and Jordan's wedding weekend at the Colony Hotel, and then of course we end at the museum. This was their save the date to Palm Beach. We did a custom map showing all the different locations their guests are going to be staying at and get to explore within Palm Beach. Their wedding invitation came obviously a couple months later, and this was the opening. We are kicking off the wedding weekend. Every guest got a custom hotel card holder. And then the theme of everything is like this XOXO E&J. And you're gonna see this everywhere tonight. It's gonna be on golf balls for everyone in hot pink. The theme is pink, of course. How could you not have a pink party at the Pink House in Florida? And there's our team. Here, LLG in Palm Beach, and we're starting with our pink party today. Got my heels for later, laptop in hand, walkie-talkie, and we're excited. Hey guys, welcome back. We are at the Colony Hotel here in Palm Beach for Emily and Jordan's welcome party. Come on in to our bar. Getting ready for Emily and Jordan's welcome party, and we're setting up. Like, this is why you get married in Florida. Look at the weather, the day, it's perfect. I have a little blazer, I could put my heels on, I'm not sweating. You can have a little mini golf with your own golf balls. Like, come on, like, this is why you get married here. It's just beautiful. The pink flamingos light up. There are pool floats for tonight. And we want to see like where we're going to light them up, and we want to put them in specific spots when we weigh them down, which they're going to do right now. Who's getting in the water? Also, come here. I want to show you the bar. I love it. This is so Palm Beach. Of course, it hasn't been done here before. That's why you hire us. Faye, look at our bar.
Oh my gosh.
How cool is that?
So cool.
It goes right with the vibe, right? Exactly, with your disco. Setting up the bar. Oh my gosh, we have an hour. I just looked at the time. Oh my God, that just flew. Guys, this linen is not to the floor on this side. That has got to go. We're not putting that linen there. That's disgusting. Turn around. Oh no, we need to get rid of this. This is just not our theme. These have to be out of the plastic.
I know.
Okay, all right. I'll stop micromanaging. I'll stop micromanaging. Where's the pink flamingo? You said we have that, right? I don't know. I kind of want them in the water.
Okay. They'll go in the water.
Like be strategic about it, you know? Who's setting this up? Can you just hide the gold in the back like you did for that over there? Yeah? Okay, thank you. I want to hit a hole in one, guys. Let's try it. Oh wow, that really like changes things. And then this will leave?
No, I'll put it this way.
Okay, yeah, you could try that. Ready? Yeah. Come on in.
Hi.
To your party. And then we have another set of golf balls for this. And this is, you'll take one of these home too.
Very nice.
Just a little different. And then this is your area. Right? How cute.
So cute.
Love the bar, the lava lamp.
Thank you so much. I love it. I can't wait for the sun to go down.
I know.
It's gonna be so good.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much for your help. It
Of
looks
course.
great.
Oh, this is just tonight, baby.
Director of Food and Beverage at the Colony. What do you think of our design today?
I love it. Looks fantastic.
Thank you.
It's so colony. So pink,
colony.
so colony.
Have you seen that bar before?
No, we have not. And it looks fantastic. Fernando even said, oh my gosh, Mary, look at that bar.
Look at that bar.
We love it.
I'm so glad.
We love it.
I can't wait. Thank you for having us.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
We'll be
Glad
here
you're
more.
here.
We'll be here next week.
Okay, good. I know. We love
I
it.
love it. Thank you. They're our first clients in Palm Beach, Florida. We came up with the decision to expand to Palm Beach. I felt like LLG could certainly come in here and put a little disruption into it all. And they reached out to me almost a year ago, and we showed them the museum, and they fell in love with it. The museum is one of the most logistically challenging venues that I have ever been in my career. We have 90 minutes to set up the entire venue. And of course, we're utilizing 3/4 of the venue for this wedding, and it all needs to be set up in 90 minutes. So my team has broken up into separate areas of the venue. We have 2 producers per area so that we can keep the timeline and the production schedule on track. Normally, we have hours to produce our designs. 12 to 14 hours, sometimes 2 to 3 days. They allow you to come in after they're closed, and you have to come in and leave all between 4 and 6 p.m. before the ceremony starts.
Oh my God, we're here.
Okay, guys. Abby to Brian. Lauren, Heather, what's your location?
Brian to Lauren.
Tracy, can you hear me? Abby, I'm walking to you.
Team, everyone in formation. Copy.
Brian Bilal, can you come over here?
Abby to Heather. Like we're walking. Ready.
Looks like our stage is starting to be set. Our escort cars are starting to be set. Bars outside. We're setting tables in the other room. So things are moving along right now. We just got to make sure we don't fall back behind at all. Brian, our pavilion measurements are a little tight here too, but I think it's because we moved the stage in front of the columns. Flowers coming in for the hoopah. Hoopah. Aubrey, are you in here? You haven't seen Aubrey? Aubrey? I can't hold on to all this, so thank you.
I got you.
Thank you. You look beautiful. I'm good. Hello. You're here. We finally made it. You look gorgeous. We're good. We're on fire, but we're good.
Okay.
Yeah, I just needed to come and see you. And like just take in the moment.
It's so beautiful. It's such a nice day.
We are doing good. I'm gonna go check in on the team. Our bride and groom is happy, and we need to go check back on the production. We have an hour left.
I am scared. I'm not gonna lie. I have been up at night. I'm scared because I put a lot of pressure on myself to deliver. I'm a perfectionist, but on top of that, I also push boundaries, and I pushed boundaries this time around. Meaning the design is really aggressive to accomplish within this short period of time. And not only did I do this for one party, I decided to do this for all 3 parties. Every party that we have is very different style client, but they all have very challenging and aggressive designs that have put pressure on my production vendors, and everyone has told me it.
Tropics is asking for power drop. Can you make sure Frost already handled the power drop for the band?
Oh, this is amazing. Not in order.
Shocking. Tell me something I wouldn't know. We went with something very dramatic, an all black tablescape with touches of gold and only candlelight.